Hi and welcome back to Next Step Immigration. Did you know that Saskatchewan, a province in Western Canada, has a thriving economy, a varied labor force, and a high level of life? In Saskatchewan, a state with a population of over 1 million, a variety of businesses are located, including those in agriculture, mining, manufacturing, and healthcare. Some professions are in great demand as the province expands, making them good career alternatives for people looking for job prospects. In this video, we will talk about a few of the jobs that are in high demand in Saskatchewan. 1. Registered nurses and nurse practitioners. In Saskatchewan, there is a significant demand for both registered nurses, RNs, and nurse practitioners, NPs. Patients receive crucial care from RNs, but NPs with advanced training may diagnose and treat ailments. Due to the aging population and the increased need for healthcare services, there will likely be a rise in the demand for these experts. 2. Truck drivers. Due to the size and broad terrain of the province, Saskatchewan has a strong demand for truck drivers. Truck drivers are required to deliver commodities and products around the province, since there are so many rural and distant settlements. When the economy improves and demand for transportation services rises, there will likely be a greater need for truck drivers. 3. Heavy equipment operators. Due to Saskatchewan's reliance on mining, agriculture, and construction, there is a considerable demand for heavy equipment operators. These workers transport materials, erect structures, and prepare ground for agriculture, using heavy equipment including bulldozers, excavators, and backhoes. Heavy equipment operators are projected to be in more demand as the province's economy expands. 4. Information technology professionals. Since technology is being incorporated into businesses and organizations, there is a growing need for information technology workers in Saskatchewan. To make sure that computer systems are safe and operating properly, IT specialists are required, such as software developers, network administrators, and cybersecurity experts. The need for IT specialists is anticipated to grow as the province becomes more dependent on technology. 5. Teachers. The need for teachers is anticipated to rise as the population of the province rises, since Saskatchewan is renowned for having a high-quality educational system. From kindergarten to high school, teachers are needed for a variety of topics, including math, science, and language arts. The need for educated teachers is anticipated to increase as the government keeps making investments in education. 6. Electricians. Due to Saskatchewan's expanding building sector, electricians are in great demand. In residential, commercial, and industrial settings, these experts install and maintain electrical systems. The demand for electricians is anticipated to increase further as a result of the province's expanding economy and population. 7. Oil and gas workers. Oil and gas personnel are in great demand in Saskatchewan since the sector contributes significantly to the province's economy. These experts have a variety of jobs, including those in drilling, production, and engineering. The need for personnel in this business is anticipated to grow as the province's oil and gas sector continues to expand. 8. Agricultural workers. Agriculture is a well-known business in Saskatchewan, and professionals in this sector are in great demand. These experts have a variety of jobs, such as farmers, ranchers, and farm managers. The need for personnel in this industry is anticipated to increase as consumer demand for food and agricultural goods increases. 9. Accountants and auditors. In Saskatchewan, where the corporate and financial sectors are expanding, there is a great demand for accountants and auditors. These experts provide assistance to people and corporations in managing their money, filing taxes, and assuring rules are followed. The need for accountants and auditors is anticipated to increase in the province's expanding economy. 10. Tradespeople. Carpenters, plumbers, and welders are among the skilled workers in great demand in Saskatchewan as a result of the expanding construction sector in the state. These experts have a variety of jobs, including those of construction managers, builders, and subcontractors. The demand for tradespeople is anticipated to increase further due to the province's expanding economy and population. In Saskatchewan, there are a number of additional vocations that are in demand in addition to these. These specialists consist of environmental scientists, social workers, and psychologists. The need for experts in these disciplines is anticipated to grow as the province continues to expand and develop. The province of Saskatchewan has a broad economy and a number of sectors that provide good job possibilities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.